Survival Town and Operation Teapot reveal a chilling chapter of the atomic age. This rare footage captures actual nuclear bomb tests conducted in the American Southwest and the South Pacific during the 1950s. At Bikini Atoll, Navy crews stand on the decks of ships, watching as a nuclear explosion erupts on the horizon. Equipped with little more than goggles, they witness the birth of a massive mushroom cloud. Moments later, aerial shots reveal ships positioned dangerously close to the blast zone. In Nevada's Yucca Flat, part of Operation Teapot, thousands of servicemen prepare for the unimaginable. Nearly 9,000 soldiers take their places in trenches less than a mile from ground zero. When the bomb detonates, the desert erupts in blinding light and overwhelming force. Dust and debris fill the air as the soldiers emerge, brushing radioactive dust from their uniforms with simple brooms. Nearby, tanks and military equipment are left in ruins. The destruction is immediate and absolute, a stark reminder of the devastating power of nuclear weapons. Scientists and military leaders observe from a distance, demonstrating what they called civil defense preparedness. The message was clear: survival in the atomic age was possible. But today, these images tell a different story, one of risk, limited protection, and the frightening reality of early nuclear testing. These haunting scenes remain a powerful reminder of the dangers faced by those who stood on the front lines of the atomic era.